I'm gonna show you the cats first because we're not gonna let it up just yet. Wait, where did the other one go?
I don't know. I just saw him.
Hopefully he didn't die. Yeah.
I just saw him over here and he ran inside.
Is he still? Is he inside? Meow.
Oh, there they are.
Oh. Okay, our cat didn't. This is the first time that he went to the storage room. Is it gonna lit? Mommy, is it gonna lit? Okay, she's still making the ding. I was watching Cutie Block. Aww. When is it gonna start?
你要讲解一下，今天是 July 4th。
Yeah, today is July 4th, by the way. Here's a little. Do you want me to show you something kind of creepy with insects? There's so many ants. Oh, it's about to start! It's about to start!
来，罗，不要跑那么远，它打不到那么远。
Okay. Yes. Come. Skylar!
I'm here.
Skylar, come. You'll see better here. Lit it. Oh, I got it. Is it working? What happened?
What happened?
What happened?
Yeah, what happened to this flint and steel?
Oh, it's working!
Yes!
Yes! Run!
站到旁边去，站到旁边啊，看。
Wow!
讲解宝宝。
讲解，快讲。
Wow, look at the food! Exploding! Yes! Go!
Happy birthday, Yusuf!
Happy